How to give access to a Facebook business page. First things first, fire up your internet browser and head over to Facebook. Once you're on Facebook, navigate to the page you manage for your business. Look towards the left side of your page. You'll see an option called Professional Dashboard. Give that a click. Inside the Professional Dashboard, you'll find various options. Click on the one labeled Page Access. Here, you'll see two choices, people with Facebook access and people with task access. For now, let's go with people with Facebook access. Next, you'll see an option to add a new person. Click on that. Click on Next. Now, you'll have a box where you can type in the name or email of the person you want to give access to. As you type, Facebook will suggest names. Once you see the right person, click on their name. Finally, there should be a button that says Give Access. Click on that, and you're done. So there you have it. Giving access to your Facebook business page is as simple as that. Now you can collaborate seamlessly with your team and manage your page more efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.